exact opposite side of the mall, so you have to go through it.
In your tummy?
Yeah.
You do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Soon. Soon. Soon you can have your seatbelt off soon. We're about to park. All right. Ready for some lunch? Lunch? Yeah?